Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on HONOR X5c Plus. So first, open Wi-Fi settings, disable and enable again to restart. Wait for it to connect, and now open and click forget. Wait another couple of seconds and then try to connect once again. If it's still not working for you, then you'll need to restart the router and your phone. But we can try to do one more thing. Go into the settings and search for update. Then software updates. And wait for it. As you can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then you need to update your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.